friends, back 4:45. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. This week, weather-wise, do what you want. I have to be here. It's fine. I'm not on vacation. But next couple weeks after this week, I need you to take it back to what we had this past 2 weeks.
I will do what I can for that.
This last vacation was ridiculous. Like every day is just, it's been gorgeous.
You know why? It's because I needed a day that was cloudy for that Myler Makes It Paris thing that I was shooting.
See?
Because I needed the perfect cloudy day to shoot one part of it. And I was like, oh, we'll get it at some point. Kept telling my photographer, we'll get it. And then it was sunny every single day. So it was the lighting was terrible. So yeah, that's why we had all this. I'll try to schedule something, you guys, so we get more of these perfect sunny days all the time. But that's not today right now. Outside for the moment, we have temperatures though, because of the clouds that are staying a little bit warmer this morning. It's kind of insulated everything. Temps right now in the 60s somewhere. Low 60s for Bangor, Waterville, Greenville. Cala is actually in the mid 50s right now. A lot of people in the rest of the state seeing upper 60s, so it depends on where you are, but just a bit warmer than yesterday for all of us. So we have clouds out there that are helping insulate everything a bit more. And these are really going to continue to be the story as we go through your morning, is that everything's a bit cloudier because of this low that's just sitting off the coast right now, really providing most of the rain right now to southern New England, and that's going to be the story for this system overall, is that southern New England's getting almost all the rain. We're just going to get a little bit of drizzle here as we progress through your day here. Not looking at much overall. Just a few raindrops here and there. Could get a shower out of this, but I expect mainly drizzle to be the forecast overall. And then as we continue into your afternoon, same story. Not really looking at much. And the farther north you go, the better chance you have of getting a little bit of sunshine coming out into your forecast. So it could look a bit better, but most of us are going to see just some clouds today and a little bit of patchy drizzle out there. I think the big thing everyone's going to notice instead though is that it's a lot cooler out today. So even though it is starting off a lot warmer, really not going there. We're going to see temperatures peaking in the low 70s today. So we've dropped like 15 degrees for high temperatures, significantly cooler overall. So not getting anywhere near our normal high temperature of about 80 degrees, but it will still be a decent day. And tomorrow we're going to have some more rain chances. And this is where this summery kind of pattern really starts to stay around. Normally in the summer, you have heat and humidity, and that kind of all comes together to give us some instability in the atmosphere once we get the afternoon sunshine. A lot of these days, we're going to start off with some clouds in the forecast. You could see a couple showers here and there, but as we get into the afternoon, we're going to start to have some sun coming out as those clouds thin out. And then with that, you start to get those afternoon thunderstorms popping up as well because of the heat and the humidity and all the instability that causes. And that's where we're going to be at for the next couple of days. Each morning there's going to be some clouds. You could see a couple showers trying to happen in the morning, but really once we get to the afternoon, that's when we're going to see the showers and storms popping up in the second half of your day. That's starting tomorrow, that's going into Wednesday. That's the better chances Wednesday of the week. Well, that's most likely. Then Thursday and Friday, still seeing those showers and storms popping up out there as well. So it's really going to continue. For your day today though, with that low off the coast, it's really increasing your wave height, also going to be increasing your swell out there, so rip currents are a factor. Seas 4 to 6 feet out there, winds out of the east-southeast 5 to 15 knots. Water temperature is 66 degrees as well, so just rip currents for the next couple of days. Make sure you pay attention to that. Patchy drizzle out there for your day today. There's a few storms really stick around. This looks worse than it is. I just don't have enough icons to really show you everything. That's why the first half of the forecast matters, so I can explain how this doesn't look as bad as it's going to be. But you just have that daily afternoon kind of pop-up chance. This is a very summery forecast where you have some sun, you have some humidity, and along with that you have those afternoon storm chances that come when you combine those two together. But overall, it's not the best compared to where we were. I mean, after a weekend like we just had.
Such a special summer. We'll keep an eye as it gets closer on Saturday too with the beach to beacon. A lot of people on runners certainly want to know what that's going to be like, mugginess and so forth as we get closer to Saturday. So
I'll try to work
that's
on
your
it.
job for the week. All right, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.